Good morning everyone, welcome back. So this is the second session, and according to our schedule for the second session for Friday we are going to learn from writing Pride Book 2. Okay students, so this is Unit 6 Adjectives and Adverbs. So teacher will want to review you about this lesson. We have done with this lesson, right? But teacher want to review you again to make sure that you can use adverbs and adjectives correctly in the sentences. Okay students, so let's teacher ask you some questions regarding to adjectives. So how do we use adjectives? And how many forms of adjective in English? So adjectives are used to modify noun, right? So, okay, how many forms of it? There are three forms, right? Stand before noun, okay, before noun, after linking verb, and after indefinite pronouns. So this is the form of adjective. Okay, so how about adverbs? Okay, everyone, so look at part 1, Adverbs Basics. So how do we use adverb in the sentences? So adverbs are used to modify adverbs itself, modify a verb, and modify an adjective as well. Okay, right, so good, everyone. So now let's open your book to page 58 altogether, and then you will see what we're gonna review. Okay, so you know that some adverbs as well can modify the whole sentence. Okay, can modify the whole sentence, like the word fortunately, as you can see in the example in our book. Fortunately, he didn't follow us. So fortunately over here is an adverb in modify whole sentence. Okay, you know that adverbs always stand after, okay, before verbs, okay, before adjective, right, before adjective and before adverbs as well. Okay, so this is adverbs used to modify adverbs. Okay students, so look at number 2. Number 2, location of adverbs. So how many location of adverbs have you learned? So there are 3 locations of adverbs. Okay, there are 3 locations. So the first one is in the middle of the sentence. Okay, middle of the sentence. Second, in the end of the sentence. Okay, in the end of the sentence, and the first of the sentence. Okay, and in the first of the sentence. So there are 3 locations that we have learned in unit 6. Okay, so the first is in the middle of the sentence, in the end of the sentence, and in the first of the sentence. Okay, good. Number 3, forms of adverbs and adjectives. Form of adverbs and adjectives. Okay, students, so you might confuse that which one is adjective, and you might confuse about how to use adjective and adverbs. So you know that adverb is used to modify adjective. But adjective and adverb sometimes have li in the end. Okay, end with li, end in li. So you might confuse with this, but don't worry. Okay, so you can open your book to page 58 again. Look at number 3, forms and adverbs and adjectives. So you know that adjective is used to modify noun, and adverb is used to modify verbs, adjective, and an adverb itself. Okay, you got with this? Okay, you see that if after that word, after adjective, it should be noun, right? Okay, after before adverb it should be after adverb it should be verb, right? Okay, so you can remember this rule. Okay, then you will know how to use adjective and adverbs correctly. Okay students, so number 4, negative adverbs. So negative adverbs, we don't use not or no to make negative anymore because some adverbs can make negative, okay? Like the word hardly, never, barely, rarely, right. All of these words can make negative by itself, okay? So we don't need to add not to make negative. You got this? Okay, students, so now let's look at example. Let's tell me. Okay, for number 1, let's tell me about this sentence. Look at so. So is an adverb or so is an adjective. Okay, students, so to know so is an adverb or adjective, please look at the word after it. The word brought. Okay, brought. Brought is function as a noun or adjective. Okay, so brought over here function as an adjective. So is an adverb because adverb is used to modify verb. Number 2, it's finally finished. It's finally finished. So look at the verb finally. Is it adverb or adjective? So look at the word after it. The word finish. Finish is a noun or verb. Okay, so finish is a verb. So verb, so mean finally over here is an adverb. Okay, number 3, it moves very fast. Very fast. Okay, look at fast here. It functions as an adjective or adverb. Okay, so very fast is an adverb. So move what? Move fast. So we use adverb to make the verb fast become stronger than before. So fast is very is an adverb. Fast is an adverb as well. Okay. Number 4. Okay. Luckily, nobody got hurt. So look at luckily. So luckily is an adjective. No, it's an adverb, and it modifies whole sentence. Okay, look at this. Nobody got hurt. So this is a sentence, and we have the word luckily, so means that this adverb used to modify whole sentence. Okay. Right. So you know that adverbs can modify whole sentence as well. Number 5. She carefully opened the box. She carefully opened the box. Okay, so carefully is an adverb, right? So look at this, where its location. It is in the middle of the sentence, right? Number 6. She opens the box carefully. She opened the box carefully. Look at carefully here. It's in the end of the sentence. Number 7. Carefully, she opens the box. So look at carefully over here. It is in the first of the sentence. So these are the location of adverbs. So location of adverbs, the first is can be in the middle of the sentence, it can be in the end of the sentence, and it can be in the first of the sentence. Got this, students? Alright, that's all with this. That's all for the review. Do you have any question with this, students? Ask, okay, just ask. If you have questions, let's leave your question below the video or chat directly to me, okay, through our Telegram, then I will try to answer your questions. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please have a nice holiday.